Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I would like to welcome you to the channel. We are going to be talking about the viewer choice stock picks. So my reviewers have commented down below and asked me to review these. I haven't done this segment in a little while, but I think you're going to really enjoy this video. Before we get started, if you can please give me that thumbs up, the like button, I'd greatly appreciate it as it does keep me alive. Also, if you are new to the channel, I would ask that you please join the community by hitting the subscribe button, notification bell. Hit all so you can get all my videos out there. Before we get down into it and talk about these stocks, I have partnered up with MooMoo. It is a brokerage trading account. Right now, they are giving great promotions just for my viewers alone. If you use my link down below and open an account with them without putting any money in there, you will get a free stock just for my viewers alone. If you use my link, this stock will be valued anywhere from $3 all the way up to $350, depending on the random stock that you get. If you deposit $100 into this account, you will get a free share of Lucid Motors stock. That is correct. You will get about $25 worth Lucid Motors stock for free just by putting $100 into this account. I hope you take advantage of this, but I'll put at the end of this video more instructions on how you can do this and how you can open your own MooMoo account. But let's get down into this and talk about these very important stocks. We are going to be talking about ChargePoint and EVgo. I did find this really nice article that I did want to share with you, and it is from Yahoo Finance. Let me just transition and talk to you about this one. This is titled, "Why Two EV Charging Stocks Face Outsetting Risks to Outsized Opportunity." So these two stocks are reviewed by Bank of America. The analyst is Ryan Greenwald. He did review both of these stocks. He did give it both a neutral rating. So he did evaluate ChargePoint and EVgo. So in the past, he has stated that these two stocks had a lot of hype behind them. And the reason why is, again, because we had all that buzz out there with the infrastructure bill. The infrastructure bill said that we need to electrify America. We need to increase the charging infrastructure in the United States. Well, these two companies will definitely benefit from that. But where has the infrastructure gone? Really nowhere. We haven't really heard anything, and the government is still at a stalemate regarding this. But according to this, the Biden's administration, as I have mentioned, they are trying to get this infrastructure bill gone through. This will give it about $7.5 billion in an infrastructure bill that will give it a potential to increase these companies' stocks because they are going to be building these infrastructure bills. So right now, just more recently, just to let you know, ChargePoint on September 28th did have a lockup expiration date, which did release about 74 million shares out there. So it did cause a lot of dilution in the stock. And we'll talk about its chart in just one second, that you'll see a lot of the stock did go down because of the dilution. This stock does have a great potential, but again, we do need to look into the future of charging all the electric vehicles out there that are getting a lot of hype out there. Now, EVgo is well positioned right now. It is getting a lot of tailwinds behind the leading position. So ChargePoint right now is the leader in EV charging. It has the biggest infrastructure out there. In the United States, ChargePoint right now is about 70% of all the charging stations are ChargePoint. So it definitely has a huge market cap out there. Now, there are other companies that will be coming up, and I do think EVgo is one of them that will do very, very good. But it will all depend on the infrastructure bill, because these will definitely propel the stocks up, in my opinion. I think that they will be doing good. But moving forward, let's take a look at EVgo. So EVgo right now is at a leading position, according to this article, to have the largest U.S. fast charging networks in a number of locations. And they right now are very successful at charging light duty vehicle fleets. So, but looking at the vehicles that are most commonly are for consumers, they are about 80% of charging in the United States is done at home. And so both of these companies are looking to build electric charging stations for home use. Now, ChargePoint does have that right now, that it can install in your house a charging system. Now, EVgo is expanding and developing these charging systems as well, and it has reached that mile point. So I do think that both of these stocks will do good. And let's see what the stocks look like right now. So if we do look at ChargePoint right now, ChargePoint is at $19. today as we are watching this trading. In the past 5 days, you could see that we did have that sell-off. We did have a bottom of $17.70, which is just on Wednesday. But ever since then, we had that nice increase in its stock. But let me show you in the past 1 month, we are still down 12% in this stock. We have hit a high of about $21, $22. But look at what happened on September 28th. As I have mentioned, the lockup expired, and this did cause a lot of dilution in the stock. So we had 74 million shares released, and you could see that this did go down. I do think that this was a great buying opportunity, and I still think that this is a great buying opportunity. If you can get this stock under $20, I think you're getting an amazing deal. And let me just show you why. So if we look in the past 6 months, we are down on ChargePoint at 33%. We have hit a high of $35.69. But let's look at this line. Anytime we go lower than $20, we get a lot of investors that just pop the stock back up, and we are at the very big buy point right now. So right now, I think this is an excellent time. If you don't have any EV charging stocks, I think this is a great buy, in my opinion, to get, as I think that EV charging will be very important into the future. So I do think that we are at a great buy point right now, but we'll definitely have to keep this updated and keep you updated. Now let's see what the analysts say out there on ChargePoint. So the ChargePoint analysts, there are quite a few of them, and all of them are from this year. Some of them do give it a neutral and a buy, but they do give it anywhere price targets. The lowest price target we do see is about $24. The highest price target that we are seeing here is about $43. If you just look at the lowest price target, which I like to do, and you compare it to what you're getting the stock at right now, you're getting this stock at $19. You do have a potential to go up to $24 at the lowest point in the next 12 months, and this is from Goldman Sachs, which is a good reputable analyst out there. So let's look at what TipRanks shows out there for ChargePoint stock. So ChargePoint does have 9 analysts review it. 5 do give it a buy, 3 a hold, 1 a sell. This does give it an average of a moderate buy. This does give it an average in the next 12 months at $33.71. This is 77% upside from now. I think this is a very, very good buy, in my opinion. And if you have not had any ChargePoint stock, I would consider it putting on your watch list. But please do your own due diligence before buying this or any other stocks. So as you can see, the highest price target is that $46. The lowest price target is that $24, which does give it that average of $33.71. A huge 77% upside from now. Now let's talk about EVgo stock right now. The ticker is EVGO. The stock price right now is $7.86. And if we look in the past 5 days, we are down about 5.2% on this stock. We have gone below that $7.80, but we are down quite a bit for this past week. In the past 1 month, we have had a low of $7.28 and a high of resistance of $9 in this stock. So right now you are still getting it at a pretty good deal, seeing that this stock has a potential to retest that $9 ceiling, that $9 resistance point, but we are at a good buy point. Now let me just show you in the past 6 months, we are down on EVgo quite a bit. You are down about 43% on this stock. We had a high of $16.50 that was set back on June 28th. But we are quite low now. The lowest that we have been is $7.28. Anytime the stock is in that $7 point, anything under that $8, I think you're getting a very good deal in this stock. Let me just show you the year to date. We have hit a high, again, that $22 at the beginning of the year in January, and we are going on that downward trajectory. So if we did draw a line of regression right now, we are still going down, but I do think that we are testing the bottom of this stock. So anything under $8, I think you are getting a very good deal in this stock. So this is a fairly new company out there that has just come out on the stock market. And I do think that it does have potential in the future to do good. And let's see what the analysts do say about this. So EVgo has about 4 analysts that reviewed it. And these 4 analysts do give it a price target in the next 12 months, ranging anywhere from $10 all the way to $18. So again, if you can get this under $8, I think you're getting a very good deal, again, in my opinion. From Citigroup, you do see on September 15th, they did give it a neutral rating right now at $10 price target. If we transition to tip ranks, you are seeing these analysts that are here as well. These analysts, there's 5 of them. 3 give it a buy, 2 a hold, a 0 sell. This does give us an average buy with an average price target in the next 12 months at $13.60. Also very nice upside of 72% in EVgo charging stock. So you do have a very nice high price target of $18. Lowest price target, as I mentioned, from Citigroup is $10. If you average these together, you're getting it at $13.60. So again, I do think that both of these charging stocks, EVgo and ChargePoint, are at a very good buy point, in my opinion. Moving forward, I think that it's very important to have some kind of EV charging stocks in your portfolio just for diversification. But remember that these are going to be big in the future. We do have to charge all the electric vehicles that are going on the market, and we are at the very beginning of that market that all the electric vehicles are coming out. So by the year 2030, about 50% of all the vehicles that are going to be sold are going to be electric, and these vehicles will need to be charged. So I think this is a very good, nice entry point into this charging network. But I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, the like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell, hit all. I would like to welcome you to the community. And I would also like to ask you if you would like to take advantage of that MooMoo. Remember, if you use my link down below, you can get a free stock share just for opening an account. If you deposit $100 into that account, we will give you a free share of Lucid Motors from MooMoo. It is valued right now at about $25. And if you do invest up to $2,000 into your account, you will also get a free share of General Motors. And at the end of this video, I will have instructions on how to do that. But thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you so much.